Welcome to yet another video on How to Mom's YouTube channel. This video is an all about me project for my little one, which was inspired by a school assignment. This project is geared at developing basic self-awareness, self-expression, and goal-setting skills in your child from an early age. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So this is an example of a poster, right? So this has a picture of the child's name, and the child's age. So it's very basic and very simple. You could improve it by adding the child's favorite color and all of that. I'm going to show you some more detailed versions of some posters. Alright, so this one now is a little bit more detailed. It shows the soft girly nature of my child. It incorporated her favorite little cat Gigi, what she likes to eat and what she likes to do. This poster now, it showcases her favorite stuff, right? So it has her favorite food, her favorite fruits, her best friends, her favorite people to be around, right? And it basically gives a little background as to what exactly she likes. Even her little stuffed mermaid animal is on it. So you want to make it as personal as possible for the child. This one now showcases the child's future career. What does she like? So right now you're looking at the career aspect. My child said that she wants to become a doctor scientist. Yes, it gives a little historical evidence or background into what we're planning on doing. So as you know already, I had her in university. So this is a little article with both of us. Yes, so she did 2 years at UWI with me, and we both graduated as biotechnologists. But in the future, she wants to become a scientist doctor, right? Well, butterfly princess scientist doctor, to be frank. All right, according to her. Now this poster is, it basically shows her family, right? Her mom and dad, and it was supposed to show her little cat. Also shows her brother, her big brother, which she's so proud of. It also shows her school that she attends and the grade that she's in. So basically, with creating this poster, it should provide self-awareness, give self-expression, you know. So these are some basic ideas if you are given this task to do or this assignment to do, or if you just want to do it as like a family project.